হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম টু কিউবি স্টাডি। ফ্রেন্ডস, জিআরবিটি গ্রুপ সি এক্সামের পেপার 2 এর অফিসিয়াল আনসার কি তোমাদের আনসারের সাথে ম্যাচ করে নাও। ম্যাচ করার পর তোমাদের এক্সাক্ট স্কোর তোমরা পেপার 2 এর মধ্যে কতটুকু এক্সাক্ট স্কোর করেছো কমেন্ট করে জানাবে। হার্পিটোলজি ইজ এ ব্রাঞ্চ অফ সায়েন্স which deals with reptiles would be right answer. World Water Day is celebrated on 22nd March. Nagasaki Day is observed on 9th August. Which temple was constructed by the Queen of Maharaja Govinda Manikko? Gunavati Temple. Who was the political guru of Gandhiji? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. International Day of Yoga is observed on 21st June. Kokborok Day is observed on 19th January. Tripura Sundari Express runs between the stations Agartala and Anand Vihar. The UPSC conducts examinations for All India Service Examinations. Which edition of Tripura Book Fair has been organized in the month of March 2021 at International Fairground, Hapania? 39th edition. What is the name of the bridge which was inaugurated by India and Bangladesh on 10th March 2021 over the river Feni in Tripura? Answer would be Maitri Setu. Maitri Setu hobe our answer. Recently in Tripura, 5 books written by Rabindranath Tagore were translated into 5 local languages, which are Kokborok, Manipuri, Vishnupriya Manipuri, Mog, and Chakma. Option C, Chakma would be right answer. Chakmagat Berries is located on the river Khuai. Option C, hobe a right answer, Khuai. Which subdivision of Tripura has no borderline with Bangladesh? Udaipur hobe our answer. When was Tripura Jana Shiksha Samiti established? 27th December 1945. Which television series has won the Best Series Award at Golden Globes 2021? The Crown would be right answer. What is the name of the new civil services reforms program approved by the Indian government? Mission Karmiyogi hobe our right answer. Who was the Nawab of Bengal when Shamsher Ghazi was killed? Mir Qasim would be right answer. What is the name of the Science Stone book which has been published by Vigyan Prashar? Bye Bye Corona. Who is the High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh since 12 August 2020? GRBT এর আনসার হর্ষবর্ধন শ্রিংলা দিয়েছে। অপশন সি এর আনসার দিয়েছে GRBT. Which sport even got approval for inclusion in the Paris 2024 Olympic Games? Breakdancing. What is the name of the world's first private flight plane to go on the moon? Moon Express would be right answer. An international film festival with the theme of Better Film, Better Audience and Better Society was recently inaugurated in which city? Dhaka would be right answer. Before the First World War, triple entity was constituted with England, France and Russia. Which Indian monument was lit on January 13, 2021 to observe the neglected tropical disease day? Answer would be Qutub Minar. What is the new railway helpline number announced by the Indian Railways? Answer would be 139. Recently, Amrut Mahotsav has been launched to celebrate which of the following events? 17th year of India's independence. Luka Atanasio, who has recently killed, was the ambassador of which country to Democratic Republic of the Congo? Answer would be Italy. Who is the youngest in the world history to earn the PhD degree in business administration? Dr. Kimberly Strebel. In which country recently a law has been approved to include mother's name in children's ID? Answer would be Afghanistan. The first case of coronavirus confirmed outside China was reported in Thailand on 13th January 2020. Which country of the world topped the Human Development Index 2020? Answer would be Norway. Padma Vibhushan Award in 2021 in the field of public affairs was awarded to Shinzo Abe would be right answer. The Nobel Prize in Literature 2020 was awarded to, answer would be Louis Gluck. The author of the book Your Best Day is Today is Anupam Kher. Answer would be option B. The Government of India launched the third phase of Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana on 15th January 2021. The Union Cabinet approved the Ratle hydropower project in 2021 on Chenab River, which Indian security force has launched a robot named Captain Arjun to perform medical screening. Railway Protection Force, which is the oldest English newspaper of India, the Times of India. First Kishan Rail of India was introduced from Maharashtra to Bihar. In man-land ratio, the most important factors is the productivity of land. Chipko movement is associated with the project against deforestation. First female Chief Justice in India was Leela Seth. आंसर দেওয়া হয়েছে জিআরবিটি দ্বারা অপশন এ would be right answer. Mount Sinabung on Sumatra Island in Indonesia erupted on August 2020. Which country recently launched satellites using the world's first rocket powered by biofuel? Answer would be United States. The Disaster Management Act was enacted in India in the year 2005. World Population Day is celebrated on 11th July. India has a land boundary of how many kilometers? 12,200 kilometers. Bharachuki Falls is in which state of India? Karnataka. Option B, right answer. Who was appointed as the Director General of National Security Guard in March 2021? M.A. Ganapati would be right answer. Dust Leak is a military exercise between India and which other country? Uzbekistan would be right answer. SO Alvan, who has been seen in news recently, is associated with which sports? Cycling. Which country has unveiled a draft Humans in Space Policy 2021? India would be right answer. Which company has made first ever personal computer using plastic waste of ocean? HP, right answer. The main objective of Q2 protocol is Q2 protocoler মুখ্য উদ্দেশ্য হলো control of anthropogenic sources of greenhouse gases. Which famous award is also called as the Asia's version of the Nobel Prize? Raman Magsaysay Award would be right answer. Which is the only mangrove forest in the world inhabited by tigers? Sundarban Mangrove Forest. As per the Indian Meteorological Department, the southwest monsoon occurs during which period of the year? Answer would be June to September. Who is the present vice chairperson of Niti Aayog? Answer would be Rajiv Kumar. United Nations Organization has its headquarters at New York. For purifying drinking water, alum is used for coagulation of mud particles. It is difficult to cook at high altitude as boiling point of water decreases due to decrease in atmospheric pressure. In India, the National Disaster Management Authority is headed by the Prime Minister of India. In India, cyclone is tracked through which satellite? GRBT এর answer option A দিয়েছে, that is INSAT. Which is the only active volcano in India? ইন্ডিয়াতে একমাত্র অ্যাক্টিভ ভলকানো হচ্ছে volcano of Barren Island. On which date International for Biodiversity is observed? International Day for Biodiversity is observed on 22nd May. The thickness of stratospheric ozone layer is measured in Dobson unit. Excessive secretion from the pituitary gland in the children results in gigantic, that is increased height. The chemical used in photography is sodium thiosulfate as a fixer, ফটোগ্রাফিতে ইউজ করা হয়ে থাকে। রেড ডাটা বুক কন্টেন্স ডাটা অফ এন্ডেঞ্জার্ড স্পেসিস। The word secular was inserted into the Constitution of India by the 42nd Amendment Act. The term 0 hour is related to parliamentary proceedings. Niti Ayoger full form National Institution for Transforming India. Who summons the session of the State Legislative Assembly? The Governor. Every judge of the Supreme Court holds his office till the age of 65 years. In the Indian federal system, residuary powers rest with the center. The political parties got the constitutional recognition for the first time in the year 1985. Which one of the following reads is preventive as well as curative? Sheshurari hobe our answer. The slavery system in Tripura came to end during the reign of which king? Answer would be Bir Chandra Manikya. Tripura became a union territory of India on 1st November 1956. Who among the following is known as Martin Luther of India? Swami Dayananda Saraswati would be right answer. At the time of Jallianwala Bagh massacre, the Viceroy of India was Lord Chelmsford. Swaraj as a national demand was first used by Dadabhai Naoroji in 1906. When Gandhiji was arrested during Salt Satyagraha, who took his place as the leader of the movement? Answer would be Abbas Tayyabji. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were hanged for their role in Meerut conspiracy case. Which British Prime Minister announced the end of the British rule in India? Clement Attlee would be right answer. The Indian Independence Act received a royal assent by the British Parliament on 18th July of 1947. The book Bartaman Bharat was written by Swami Vivekananda. Which pair of the countries is separated by the Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar? India, Sri Lanka would be right answer. The Tropic of Cancer is situated at 23 degree 30 minutes north of equator. Which of the following is a cold ocean current? Humboldt current would be right answer. Which of the following soils is saline in character? Usar, that is option B, would be right answer. The tribes of Garu, Khasi and Jaintia belong to which race? Mongoloid race. There is a gradual decrease of temperature with height in the atmosphere. This is known as normal lapse rate. The first cement factory in India was built at answer would be Chennai in 1904. Option D would be right answer because there is no option. It's the name of Chennai. The National Institute of Rural Development of India situated in Hyderabad would be right answer. All India Institute of Speech and Hearing is located in answer would be Mysuru option N tai answer hoye jabe none of the above. India's largest hydrocarbon plant established by the ONGC is located at এর answer none of the above GRBT দিয়েছে. The right to vote of Indian citizens is a fundamental right হবে না এটা এবং লিগাল রাইটও হবে না কনস্টিটিউশনাল রাইট দিয়েছে এর আনসার তার আনসার কনস্টিটিউশনাল রাইট হবে The Constitution of India is a mixture of rigidity and flexibility. তো ফ্রেন্ডস এই ছিল তোমাদের পেপার 2 এর অফিশিয়াল আনসার কি আর এখন পর্যন্ত কোনো তারা প্রসিডিউর দেয়নি যে কোনো অপশনে যদি ডাউট থাকে বা কোনো কমপ্লেন করার থাকে কীভাবে কমপ্লেন করতে হবে এটার কোনো প্রসিডিউর তারা প্রোভাইড করেনি অফিশিয়াল ওয়েবসাইটে যদি কোনো প্রসিডিউর প্রোভাইড করে তাহলে আমি তোমাদের ইনফর্ম করে দেবো টেলিগ্রাম চ্যানেলের মধ্যে আর টেলিগ্রাম চ্যানেলে তোমরা জয়েন করে নিও আর লিঙ্ক ডেসক্রিপশনে দেওয়া থাকবে টেলিগ্রাম চ্যানেলের